Hi guys, if you are facing this error, the argument type object cannot be assigned to the parameter type image provider. If you are using image in the background image as a used background image in a circle avatar, or you used in any other widget, and you are using a ternary operator, and you are facing this error that the argument type object cannot be assigned to the parameter image provider. You can simply remove it by writing this as image provider image provider, and you write image provider, the error will be removed, and when you reload the app will work fine. As you see, the image has been the application is running smoothly. When I change the image will be changed and application is running fine. Thanks for watching.